Hi guys, it's me, Andy Jones, and I'm going to make something with Eliza. Who's Eliza? Well, Eliza has her channel called Let's Make Something or Let's Do Something with Eliza. She's a lot of fun. If you haven't checked out her channel, please check out her channel. She's really wacky and fun and creative and just very joyful. I love her personality, and I guess she likes me too because she asked me to be part of this collaboration. So we're going to craft with our scrapbook paper stash, and make something fun for Christmas. So let's get started. So for this craft, all you're going to need are 4 sheets. That's right, 4 sheets of this scrapbook paper. And if you're lucky, you can get them for like 25 cents. So we're spending how much? $1. That's right, $1. Less than you would spend at a dollar store. Truly less. So what we're going to do with it is cut it into quarters. We're going to cut it into quarters just like that. So I've already used, well, I didn't like this paper, so whatever, put that to the side. So I already cut up my paper into quarters, and all you're going to do is make little cones, cornucopias, little cones. And I'm trying to make one here, right in front of your very eyes. And of course, paper's not exciting, playing with my mind, saying, no, I shall not yield to you, but I shall yield. And so you're going to make a little cone, just like that. Now with all that, talking to it, if you're, smart, and you're just gonna staple it. I think that's the easiest way. Well, I made it look harder than it is, but you just staple it, and you keep on making more and more cornucopias. So since you're going to have 4, and they're going to be 4 pieces, and each page is 4 times 4 is 16. So you're going to have 16 wonderful little cornucopias or cones, whatever you want to call them. And here I'm going to make another one for your very eyes. Magical cornucopias. I don't know why I have such difficulty with my cornucopias. I don't know, do people call it cornucopia? There we go. And then we're just going to staple it once again. And that's it. And once you have all your cornucopias done, and I mean, it doesn't take that long. You won't even get to watch maybe the first half hour of a Hallmark movie. But by then you're hooked. Even though you know what the outcome is going to be. You happen to fall in love with these people. I don't know what happens when we watch Hallmark movies, but that's pretty much what it is. But what's great about watching Hallmark movies is because you know what's going to happen. You can do crafting while you're watching the movie. So let's take a closer look to see what I am putting together, shall we? Hi. So, as you can see, I've put together all little cornucopias. And I mean, they're a little bunched up. I don't know. I'm trying to decide whether I should take 2 of them out. I was thinking of just like taking, I don't know, maybe take at least 2. Let's take this one out. Would you notice the difference? I don't know. Do we want to use all 4? I don't know. But it looks pretty, regardless. I think it looks pretty. So we might not need to use all 16. If you want to, you can, but it's not a requirement. Don't worry about it. It's just paper, people. Let's keep it simple. So, here we have them all lined up, and now we'll go to the next step. So for this next step, all I did was take a plain ordinary piece of cardboard, basically from that box right here next to me, right here. See this? Yeah, right there. So I just took a piece of it, kind of make it into a nice isosceles triangle. No, I tried to make it into a circle looking thing. It's quite not there, but close enough. And what we're going to do is apply a hot glue gun, and I'm using my handy dandy Surebonder. Look at this. I just got this glue gun recently. Look at how I've wrecked this gun. That just shows you how much I love this gun because I use it for everything. Everything, people. Anyway, enough of a plug for the gun, and it's a cordless gun too. Let's just start assembling the assemblage of this lovely decor piece. Let's just get started. So this is gonna get all spedded up, so don't freak out. It's just part of the video. I'll see you soon. Hey, I'm back. So that was fun to watch. Yes, I struggled. We all will. But that's okay. It's worth it. It looks kind of cool already as it is. But I'm going to add some more embellishments. And as you can tell, I didn't do this side as you usually see this side because I didn't like the whites part, just like so blank there. So I did it like this, and I actually like this look a little better. See? And I really like it's a very homey kind of, I don't know, kind of homey kind of feel. Get it? Homey? Okay, so now we're going to make an embellishment for the center, and I'm taking very similar kind of paper, and I am just going to, these are going to be joined together. Actually, I need to cut this a little more so that they match. And what I'm going to do is an accordion fan. You remember making these when you were little. Just go back and forth, back and forth, and back and forth. So basically that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully that's enough to make it go all the way around. If not, I have to cut a third piece. So let's get started, and let's speed this up and listen to some nice music as I work my magic fingers. So there you have it. It wasn't too hard to make. It took me, I don't know, around half an hour to 45 minutes. It really wasn't that difficult. And again, it's something fun you can do while you're watching all those Christmas movies. I want to thank Eliza once again for inviting me to co-host this wonderful collaboration. It was a lot of fun. And what's even more fun than this collaboration is watching Eliza. Please check out her channel. The link is down below, as well as the playlist of all the other collaborators and creators that are part of this challenge. And she's just so much fun to watch. Eliza is a breath of fresh air. She's funny, she's quirky, she's cute, she's adorable. I mean, what's there not to like about her? Seriously. And she's incredibly crafty and creative. So, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button, hit the bell, ring my bell, do whatever you please. Share me with your friends and say, hey, I found this wacky woman who goes live almost every night. I know, I don't know how long I'm going to keep doing this, but I think I've hit 300 nights. Yes, 300 nights of live streaming. But anyway, thanks again for joining me on this challenge. Please check out everybody on the playlist and consider checking me out in future endeavors that I have in crafting. And as I say to all my friends every night when I say goodbye, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure. Yay, it's fun, I like it, it's very cute. Can wear it as the corsage, can wear it as a hat. Ooh, can I wear it as, ooh, maybe I can wear it as a hat. Anyway, bye, thanks again. Oh, gotta stop.
I was gonna make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
Oh!